Hello everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some Dollar Tree DIYs for you guys. So I have some fall DIYs for you. I have a Halloween DIY and also something for Christmas. So you guys definitely want to go and get these items now before your Dollar Trees sell out. So I am not looking anything glamorous. I got my Starbucks shirt on, my PJs, because when I'm crafting, I want to be comfortable. So I don't dress up to craft, I dress down to craft. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first DIY I'm doing, actually the first two are wreaths. So everything you see here I got from the Dollar Tree, the florals, the wreath form, and my favorite, these cotton stems. These guys are so pretty. So I found that working with this wreath form, it was a lot easier just to glue gun the florals. You don't have to do that. You could just place them in, but I found them to be more secure. And you literally could do any color scheme that you want. So just place your florals however you want. And I found working with the cotton stems, it was easier just to hot glue gun a bunch of bundles together and then place them into the wreath. If I'm out of breath, it's because I ran upstairs. Kid problems. Okay, so this is how the wreath turned out and I absolutely love it. And I always use leftover leaves from the floral stems to fill those sparse areas. And this is the final product. So I also added in that tin welcome sign and it was very farmhouse. Love it. Okay, so now I'm repurposing a branch wreath and then I'm working with some more florals, the cotton stems, and another one of those metal letters. So I went ahead and used the harvest one here. So I'm just wrapping the leaf garland around, and I really like this leaf garland because of the detail that it had with the pumpkins and the like fall berries. So I thought that it gave it just a little more touch there with the fall embellishments. And then I'm just placing in my cotton stems and just making it my own, farmhousing it up. And this harvest sign, I'm actually going to use a thread and I'm going to actually hang it from the branches of the wreath. So I thought that that was the easiest way to incorporate this. So I just went ahead and double knotted it. That's all it really took. You could even work the letters into the branches of the wreath. That would work out just fine as well. So this was super easy, you guys. And always repurpose your wreaths if you're not using them. And then this is the final look and I absolutely love it. And I got the hanger from Dollar Tree as well. So I had one more metal sign to work with. This was Thankful. So I went ahead and got a Dollar Tree frame and I'm working with that clothespin magnet frame. And I'm just going to glue gun the Thankful sign. I think it says Thankful. Yeah, Thankful. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue it onto the picture frame because it gave this magnet just a little bit more oomph and a little bit more farmhouse. So I love the tin on it and it just goes well with my color scheme of my house. So here we go, and it just makes it look more fancy. This does not look Dollar Tree. Does not look Dollar Tree. Okay, so now we're going to do a Halloween DIY. So you need some letters. So I got black and white letters, a skeleton, and then you're going to need a dish and a mug. Dollar Tree, guys. So I love the black and white letters. So I'm working with a skeleton. So I thought that the black and white looked very skeleton. So I'm actually going to be spelling out the word boo. And this was inspired by a Ray Dunn piece that I saw on Pinterest, and I did not want to pay the Ray Dunn prices. So I just went ahead and made my own. So you can, like I said, you could spell any letter. You don't have to spell boo. You could literally do whatever you want. And here he is, my skeleton, and he's right next to my coffee. So I thought that he fit really well next to the coffee. And then I made one with a bowl and it says spooky. And then I put a wooden spoon. And then I also made another one that says hocus pocus. So I'm also making a ornament, a keepsake ornament. So I'm using an ultrasound photo, a hospital bracelet, and the cap that my daughter came home from in the hospital. So I'm adding my ultrasound photo in first, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in her hospital cap. And then I'm going to go ahead and place the hospital bracelet in it. And then all you have to do is seal it up. Now you can go the extra step and you could add some puffy paint onto it and put the birth date of your child, or you could even put your going home outfit, your baby's going home outfit, or if you want to do a keepsake for your dog, you can maybe put your dog's bandana in it and then put their dog tag in it. The sky's the limits, you guys. So I thought that this was a fun little keepsake ornament, and this would also make a really fun grandparent gift for the holidays as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed these Dollar Tree DIYs, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you try any of these DIYs out, tag me on Instagram. My handle's right here. I would love to see them. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.